In today's video, I'm going to show us how to remove background from our videos, okay? Because if you watch my last video on how I edit my videos in CapCut with mobile, either Android or iPhone, I was talking about how I will remove my background in CapCut, and I got to know that CapCut is paid, that you are using free CapCut, you cannot remove your background if you want to remove your background within CapCut. So today I am bringing to us how you can remove your background without paying anything, free. And I'm not going to show us only one way. I'm going to show us the two way how to remove background, one for video, then one for pictures, in two ways. Okay, that's what we are going to talk about, so that it will be easy for you to remove your background from anywhere you want to use it, either in your picture or in your video. Okay, so one important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. So as usual, this is my phone, and then I said we are going to remove it from two places. How to remove background, as you can see, okay, in your videos. First, the first thing that we are going to use InShot. Have you ever heard of InShot before? If you have heard of InShot before, let me know in the comment section. If that is where you are going to use, what you are going to use to remove the background of your video, okay? You can use it to remove your picture as well. So I'm going to show us the same, how you are going to do it. So let's get into my InShot. And if you don't have InShot on your phone, okay, if you don't have it, you know how to get it. Go to your Play Store or you go to your Apple Store and download it. And let me show you how to download it from my iPhone, because I am using iPhone. So I'll go to as you can see, here is my Apple Store. So I'll go to my Apple. Then you will come to the search box and type InShot. So this is the logo of InShot. If you have not seen it before, this is the logo. Because I've already downloaded it, so I have it already. All I will need to do is just to open it. Then I'll tap on open. So when I tap on open, it will bring me here. So we'll ask if it is video, photo, or... So first of all, we are going to talk about video first. So when you tap on it, it will come here like this, okay? So what you are going to do is you are going to click your plus sign here. Once you click on your plus sign, it's going to bring here. Make sure that you have already do all your cutting and trimming and then everything in CapCut first, before you come and remove the background, okay? You will have done everything in CapCut without removing background, and then you will now export from CapCut and come and import it here, so that I can be able to remove the background of the particular place that you want to remove. Not if you are not removing background on all your videos, but that particular place, cut it, do whatever you want to do in CapCut, then come here and come and import it. So for example, I'm going to just put an example in this. I'll just choose any random video for myself, so to show you, okay? So let me assume I choose this video of myself talking. Assuming I've done this video, so this is video of myself talking. Then you click on this. So you click on this green here to accept it, okay? Once you click on it, it will bring the video like this. Make sure your video is on horizontal, okay? Make sure the video is horizontal. Maybe I should do horizontal first then, okay? So it will not be in vertical. Make sure your delete draft. So let me look for horizontal video. So make sure your video is horizontal. As you can see, this video, it is in horizontal. Make sure the video you are choosing is horizontal, okay? So this is the first thing you are going to do is you are going to remove this InShot logo. You can see it here, this InShot logo. You have to remove it, and you can see that my video is in vertical. First of all, let's change it away from vertical. So if you want to change it from vertical to horizontal, this is where you click on this canvas here. You can see this canvas. Tap on it to choose what you want to. We are talking about YouTube videos. So you come here and choose there here. So once you choose this place, what you're going to do is said page to zoom in and out. So let's zoom out like this with your hand. Okay, so you can see I've already zoomed with my hand. Then the next thing is you're going to click on this button here. Okay, just click here. So once you have clicked it, you have changed the sizes. So if you want to take it back, just come back here and choose any canvas that you want. So that is how to choose that one. Then the next thing you are going to do is you must remove the watermark. Don't, you know me, I'm not the fans of watermark. Please don't import any video to YouTube with watermark or do live streaming with watermark. Please don't do that. If you are my fans, you don't like that. So you are going to click here, this InShot here, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see option add free remove. Okay, that means you are just going to watch a particular video. Okay, so that just tap on it and wait for it to load. Then you watch the video that they are just showing you randomly. Okay, the video I am going to cover it because I don't really need the video. Watch that video. You watch the video until you will see this star here. You can see this star. Then you close the star. Then you can see that there is no more watermark here. So that means you have already removed the watermark. So the next thing that you are going to do after you have removed your watermark, make sure you watch the video to remove it. Then you scroll here. This is their own menu up here. Okay, you scroll until you see cut out. Okay, you see it. So you can see here, this is cut out. Okay, you tap on cut out. Once you tap on cut out, you tap again on the cut out. So you wait for it until video will removed. It will count down until it gets to 100%. You can see it here. It's counting down here. You wait for it to count down. Okay, let it count down to 100. Then we can be able to remove the background. So we can, after you have removed, then you click on this check mark again. Then you can see, if you play it, you will see that there's my background is not there anymore again at my back. As you can see, the way I am setting my camera, everything, my background is no more there. Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do, but in this place, make sure that the background that you want to use, you already have it in your phone. You have already downloaded it from Google, and you come to your to InShot to come and add it at the back. Except if you want to do the same effect that I did in that video, then you import this video back to CapCut. You export it here, then you go back to CapCut and continue whatever that you are doing. But if not, if you have a particular background that you want to put at your back, you can finish that one inside there before going back to CapCut if there's more things to do in CapCut. I don't normally use this, so I don't really know how to do a lot of things here. Okay, just for the purpose of my viewers that need to learn how to remove their background. That is why I'm doing all this. So let's now add background, assuming we want to add another background that we don't need to do anything in CapCut. Okay, or you already have the background in CapCut, you just import it back, either of the two. So let me check the look for background here. So I'm looking for background. Okay, so now once you add background, what you are going to do is you come back to this canvas again. You come back to this canvas. Okay, as you can see, this canvas. Then you tap on it. When you tap on it, you see ratio, zoom, then background. So you tap on background. Okay, you can add different background. You can have blur, you can add blur, you can add anything. You can see. All you just need to do is to increase the video as you want. Okay, you can add anything. Okay, once you tap it, make sure you adjust your video back. Okay, when you tap anything, it will change. But in case you have your own background that you want to use, all you just need to do is come here. Okay, tap on it. I've already downloaded it from Google, so you can go to Google and download it, or you can go to Pixel and download it. I've shown us how to do that in Pixel to download anything you want. Okay, so you now adjust yourself the way you want yourself to be. This video is just an example video. So now click on this place here, so you can see. If you play out the video through, you will see that I can trim even here. See, you can trim anything in this place as well. You can see. So that is how to remove background from video. Okay, so that is how. The next thing I'm going to do is you are going to export it here. Okay, just tap here and say save it at 1080p. That is very, very important. Then you will see, it will tell you don't unlock your this thing. Then everything will be saved to your phone. You can go back and do whatever you want to do in Canva. That is how to export it. Okay, I said in Canva. In CapCut, finish everything in CapCut and come and just remove background only here. Okay, only here. That is one thing. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to remove background from picture. So what we are going to do is you are coming here, you choose picture here. So if you are getting value, don't hit the subscribe button, then turn on your notification bell in case I drop any mind-blowing video like this. You'll be the first to get notified. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that algorithm can pick this video for me, so that it can be able to help me to show to more people that that they might need it as well. Or even if you don't know, let YouTube go and show it to more people. So what we are going to do in this case is we come back again, you tap on this plus here, you choose the pictures, any picture that you want to use. Okay, let me assume I want to use this my picture here. Okay, and I want to remove the background of my picture. It's still the same way that you're going to do. Okay, anyway, yeah, just scroll like this, keep scrolling until you get to cut out. So you can see it's doing 2 in 1. You can see I've already cut it out. I can take this picture, I can download it like this and take it to CapCut if I want to use it maybe on any video. So I'm going to experiment it. Let me leave it this way. Then I will save it first. So I've saved the remove background. We allow the ad because we are not paying for anything. This ad is what they are using to generate their own income as well from the app that they are giving value to us. So let's allow the ads to play. Let them generate money as well. The way we want people to watch ads on our videos, let's also keep watching ads on this free application that we are enjoying as well. So the ad has finished playing. You can now close it. Then we'll go back. Now that I've removed the background, you see what I'm going to do is I want to now add another background that I want. So you come back again and tap on this cut out. You tap on it. Then when you tap on cut out, you come to this place here. You can see here there's no name there, but come to this last one. Tap on it. It will help you to put outline. You remember that video that I do? So you can put outline if you want different type of outline. All this one, they are just free to use. Okay, you can see I'm showing you different design of things that you can do. Okay, you can see there anything you put, you see, you can put whatever that. Just make use of all this. This is free. Okay, this is outline. Then you can click on OK. That is for that. Okay, then you now click on OK here. Once you have clicked on OK, you have done what you want. You come back to this here, Canva. Then you tap on Canva. This Canva is where to remove background. Where to add background. You can add any type of background that you want. Any type of background. They have different type of background. Okay, anywhere you see this crown, it means it's paid, so you don't need it. So you come here to choose any background that you want. You can see this is beautiful. So you can now save it. Okay, so you can save it. You can that you want. Okay, so you can use it in any post that you want. Okay, so I can see, so you can see I have everything that I did. You can see is here in my profile. This one too, the video too. So now let's go to CapCut and utilize that one that I first of all that I do not put any background, and see how we are going to use it. So you come to click on CapCut. As you can see, you click on new project. Once you click on new project, let's just see where this. So now to now bring that picture in to see how it works. Then you click, I choose this picture, I put it here. Maybe I want to use it as a post and I want to make sure I have my picture there. Then once I've put it like this, this is photo. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this overlay here. Click on overlay. Okay, once I click on overlay, add overlay, then I'll go and bring that picture that I removed the background. I will tap on it, then I click on add. You can see there's no background there, so you can adjust it the way I want. You can just put it like this, anyhow you want it, anything. Okay, that is it. I can just, like me, I don't have any issue. This thing you can do it in InShot as well. Okay, I will just take a screenshot because this one is a video application, then I'll just import it. So I'll just export it. It's just a video. This is a video. Then I'll go back to my phone where I export it to. I'm going to, you see, it is a video. I'll just take a screenshot. I took a screenshot. Then once I took the screenshot, I will now adjust my screenshot. Okay, adjust it, turn it to a picture. Then I can now save it. So you can see I have video and I have picture. That is how I do it. So that is how we do it in InShot. Then we go to the second application. That one is going to be on Google Chrome. So I go out from here, we finish there, then I come to my Google Chrome. Anyone that you are using, you click on your Google Chrome. When you click on Google Chrome, just come here and type remove BG. You can see remove BG. Once you click on remove BG, click on the first one that is going to show to you. That is www.remove.bg. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will come here. You said, what did they say? Remove image background 100% automatically and free. What you just need to do is tap on upload image and choose your image that you want to use. Let me go and choose another type of image again. Maybe the one that I've not used, that I've okay, yeah, this is another of my image that I want to use. Okay, then you tap on done. Once you tap on it, will do the work. Leave it to do the magic by itself. It is him. You can see it was the one that do it by itself. Okay, you can see. So once it has removed, you can see it has removed by itself. Then you can click on download here. It will save. Then you go to your image to save it. So you can see the way I save it. It has downloaded. I can go to my photo now to go and check it. So you can see I've downloaded it already. Then what else am I going to do? You can go to InShot to check it out, so that if I import this video, this picture, how is it going to look on my video? So I'm in my background. So let's go back to InShot now. InShot. So I'm in InShot now. This one I don't need it again. I discard it. Okay. Then you go to photo. Either you want to use it in video or photo. So you use either of the two. So firstly, I'm going to bring in my first photo because I want to put it in this photo. Now that I have this one, then I want to go and bring that picture on this. No, I did not do it here before. So I want to do it here now. Then you will now look for PIP in this InShot. See here, PIP in this. Instead of doing screenshots, the one I do before, this one is another one. You come to this PIP. Okay, you tap on this, the picture, just tap on it. Did you see? You see the picture? It just came in by itself. Just place it wherever you want to place it. Place it wherever you want to place it. And chicken, finish. That's how to remove it. Then just upload it, download it. That is how to. Let's go back to my profile and check it out. So now you can see that I've really showed you 2 free applications that you can use to remove your background, either in the video or in the picture. Or this one, and you can even still add it as overlay in the app as well. So you can see it's so free. So the only thing you can do for me is to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it to as many that. So that is the thing you can do for me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn how I edit my video, you need to watch the video that you're going to see on the screen here, because I really break it down step by step for you to be able to understand. And if you have any video that you want me to do, don't forget to put it in the comment section. So with that, I will say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.